Happy learning!
Hello kiddos, let's write the small letter I. Let's start. Start from the middle to make a standing line. Add a small dot above the line. Let's write again. Standing line and small dot above the line. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the small letter I. Next time we will write the small letter J. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.